Hi everyone, I just thought I'd come on this morning very quickly to show you how I do my gift hampers, I suppose you'd call it. This is a box. This has survived, I think this will be its 4th Christmas, and all that I do is I flat pack it for the next year like that, and I save it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to sellotape the bottom of the box down, because obviously you need it sellotaped down so it's nice and strong for your stuff to go in. I do keep boxes like this all year round as I get them, because well, for this very reason, that's why I keep them. Now I do normally like to use the brown packing tape. As you can see, there's a couple of layers on there from years before, but I haven't got any at the moment, and it's like my cello wrap. I need to go and sort out more cello wrap, but my Poundland hasn't got any in. To be honest, I think the Crew Poundland, that's my local Poundland, don't really stock huge amounts of stuff, and it's hit or miss whether they've got that in. Right, so there's the box. So I'm going to fold the sides in, because this is going to strengthen, this will strengthen it as well, especially if you're putting heavy stuff in. So don't sort of cut the flats off or anything, make sure that you tuck them in. It's a bit of war damage because it's been used for so many years. Let me sort this corner. I think this is definitely the last year that this box will be used. So then I get my wrapping paper. I chose this wrapping paper. This is from Card Factory. When they sell them off, and you get something like 6 rolls for £1 in a January sale. Roughly guesstimate it. That's what I do anyway. Right, so you've got a nice big piece of paper there. Depends how particular you are about the seam at the back. Just have a look whether you want it dead centre or not. To me, I don't think anybody's going to be focusing on the seam at the back. I'll line it up as best I can. Find the end of the sellotape. I'm always doing this. Does anyone else do this? When they're wrapping, leave the sellotape. Sorry, I know that's not hygienic. Right, so I'm just going to sellotape there, just pop a bit of sellotape there. Now, we've got this at the bottom, so we want to pop. Nobody's really going to see the bottom of the box. I would have thought the focus would have been on the top of the box and the presents inside. So let's just fold it over. Nice and neat, crisp lines. There we go. That's the bottom. Just put the sellotape. More, just to make sure that it's held basically. Right, there's the bottom of our box wrapped up. we'll pop it up. Now what we do with this, you've got all this at the top, is you scrunch it down into the box. There we go, make it nice and neat. And you've got your join there. And this also saves putting loads of tissue paper in as well, because your wrapping paper is at the bottom to bulk it out. Another good way of bulking out at the bottom is putting newspaper and then cover it with tissue paper. That's another good way, but I find this does bulk it out a little bit. So there we go, there's your gift box. All done. Inside, like I say, I'll put tissue paper in there, or shredded paper, whatever you want to put in there. But there you go. There's the bottom, the back side, the front side, and the sides. And then it will have, like I attached the cello wrap before, this is part one because the cello wrap, as I explained, I've ran out of it, so I can't show you that bit of me attaching it, but I will be making this into a gift hamper for somebody, so you'll see it completely finished. And also, if you're using directional paper, make sure, because I have done that before, where it's been upside down like that, the paper on it, so make sure if you're using directional paper that it's actually facing up. It needs to be up this way, the pattern does, for you to fold down. So that's my DIY hamper bases, because I'm loath to pay, say, you know, these prices for these baskets, because I'd rather pay the money on the product that goes into these, so there's more product for them to have than to buy a basket and spend the money on, because some of these baskets I think are quite dear, because if you think you're paying £6 out for a basket and then you've got to buy the contents to go in it, I don't think it's good value. And also this helps because you're recycling boxes, so it helps the environment as well. Winner all round. Okay, I'll be back with part 2 as soon as I've got my cello wrap. Bye.